with us and we're having a good time. So I'll introduce the boys from my far left here. Give him a wave, Tim. There's Tim there for you. In the middle here we've got Gerald. And over on my right here we've got Glenn. They're going to do something with a chainsaw now, just to show you what we can do with a chainsaw. I'd just like to remind the parents that keep the kiddies outside of the ring. Obviously, you'll see one of our friends here with his orange jacket going around. He's from Southern Land Services over there. Little fun for him. So when you're ready, boys, crack on. Down the bottom, he's done. I think everybody's having a few technical problems this morning. You got the boys over below and everything. And there you go, Glenn's finished over on the right here, and Gerald's finished in the middle. Few little technical problems, like I say. And we was out last night in Brighton, so. Right, boys, just wait for Tim to go back across to his log. Can any of the boys and girls, mums, dads, think what we've made? I think it could be just a little bit of rubbish, a bit of sawdust, a few lumps of wood for the fire this morning. Boys, show the boys and girls what you made. And there you go, a little artificial straw. Just a little something that we can do with a chainsaw. A lot of you boys going around this morning will be chainsaw users. I'm sure you'll be going back into the woods, possibly tomorrow, and having a little go, a little play.